Way number 2. Publish a Kindle ebook. Write an ebook, sign up with Kindle Direct Publishing program, and make consistent passive income. To get in-depth knowledge without wasting hours on Google, people prefer to buy an ebook so they don't need to waste time for researching the correct matter they need. Here, you need to leverage the power of Amazon's growing market for your own benefit. You can make your own ebook. The only thing is required to have in-depth knowledge of any particular topic and write it in an easy way to understand and providing some extraordinary tips for solving one's problem. It's depend on the person how much time it will take to create an ebook. And details to be mentioned in it also play a great role in deciding the time of publishing an ebook. Now, let's discuss about the things you need to consider while publishing a Kindle ebook. First, research of what people are looking for by checking questions asked by people in the Quora, Yahoo Answers, and Wiki Answers. Second, read the reviews and study popularity of existing books of related topics to get the idea on which topic you need to create an ebook and what details you need to cover. Third, find a friend who is addicted to books to get the correct idea of the required format and content to be right in the book. So, what do you think? Can you write an ebook and publish it with Kindle Direct Publishing program? If yes, then start today. Best of luck.